Welcome everybody to the channel. Today I'll be talking about how the rich stay ahead of the game during tax season. First of all, know that the rich operate totally different than the poor and middle class. The way they handle money and their mindset is totally different as well. So, how the rich stay ahead of the game during tax season, I will share with you today. So make sure that you stay tuned all the way to the end. So I will be exploring some tactics that the wealthy use to stay ahead of the game and to gain a competitive edge in the world of taxation. It's important to know that we know the tax laws vary by country, and it's essential to comply with the tax laws and regulation in your specific jurisdiction. Generally speaking, the wealthy may have access to more resources and financial expertise to help them manage their taxes effectively. And so I'll be sharing with you some ways, and they don't, the wealthy make sure that they reduce their tax bill legally. They learn how to sell, they learn how to manage money, and they learn how to make sure that they reduce their tax bill so that they won't owe the IRS a lot of money. So the first thing that they do differently is the wealthy seek professional advice. A lot of people don't want to go to tax preparers. They want to do their taxes on themselves by themselves, but the wealthy seek professional advice. They may hire experienced tax professionals such as a certified public accountant, which is CPA, tax attorneys to help them navigate complex tax laws and minimize their tax liability because they want to reduce that tax bill so they don't owe that much, and especially if they don't want to pay at all. Okay, legally, legally speaking. The next thing the wealthy do is they definitely plan ahead. They plan ahead throughout the whole year. The wealthy may engage in tax planning throughout the year to minimize their tax liability. This may include structuring their income and investments to take advantage of tax deductions, credits, and exemptions. They know the tax laws well, and they know how to talk to professionals to make sure they're reducing their tax bills so that they won't owe as much and try not to owe anything. Okay. The number three that they do well is they use tax advantage investment vehicles. The wealthy may invest in tax advantage vehicles such as retirement accounts, bonds, which offer tax benefits and can help reduce their overall tax liability. And they also make sure if they have things like the depreciation and other things that'll work for them to make sure that they're decreasing their tax bill so they won't have to owe or pay the IRS. The next one, the number four, is the rich gonna give. Most of the wealthy give. They take advantage of charitable giving. While a lot of people say, I'm not giving, I don't want to give, they take advantage of charitable giving. And charitable giving can be a tax efficient way for the wealthy to reduce their tax liability while supporting causes that they care about. So the rich do give, which may surprise a lot of people, but they do, and it helps them. They benefit during tax season. Also, number five, which is the last one that I will share today, is they take advantage of utilizing offshore accounts. While offshore accounts have come under scrutiny in recent years, some wealthy individuals may use them to shelter income from their taxes in their home country. So these are all the ways that the wealthy benefit and they stay ahead of the game during tax season. They reduce their tax bill legally down to as much as possible or even zero. It is important to note that not all these strategies are available or appropriate for everyone, and it's important to seek professional advice before making any decisions regarding your taxes. Hopefully this video have helped you understand the secrets how the rich stay ahead of the game during tax season.